Are journalists born or made? Is there a body of knowledge that can be used to train people as journalists? In this section, we'll try to explore the importance of education in journalism. Journalism has become a profession in modern times. There is a considerable body of knowledge that can be used to train those desirous of joining this profession. General knowledge, common sense, objectivity, logic, clear thinking, and a flair for writing are important requirements for a successful journalist. The two main qualities of a journalist are the ability to write and an instinctive ability to recognize what will make news. A good basic education is necessary to enable a person to express ideas fluently in writing. Specialized training in the field of journalism is essential for an aspiring journalist to realize her or his fullest potential. Shorthand and typewriting skills, a flair for writing, a good knowledge of grammar, and the ability to use language correctly, an inquisitive mind, and a willingness to learn. A good general knowledge about national and international affairs, a good vocabulary, and love for learning new words. A willingness to study hard, the habit of reading, especially important national and international newspapers and periodicals. Knowledge of history, culture, civilization, and other interesting facets of life. Basic knowledge of business, industry, commerce, and banking. The curiosity to know about places, things, and events. Knowledge of the political affairs and laws. The qualities of honesty, integrity, and character. These are essential to win the faith of the people one comes across. A successful journalist has to know something of everything and everything of something. The person should have the knowledge of law, religion, science, business, politics, war, and economics, and should also be interested in philosophy, music, sports, and other cultural activities. A journalist should be a voracious reader of newspapers, magazines, journals, books, and periodicals. The person should have a very strong desire for learning new subjects and new things. A successful journalist must try to develop the qualities of tact, diplomacy, alertness, perseverance, and willingness to work long hours. The person must have a sound mind and a sound body. In this profession, a person may have to travel a lot in the city, in the interior areas, and maybe in different parts of the country and overseas. A journalist may also have to travel day and night in strange places to meet all sorts of people. At times, a journalist may be given a courteous welcome, but at other times, the same journalist may have to face harsh treatment. In certain situations, such as while covering war, a journalist's life may be endangered. A journalist needs to have physical and mental courage. A journalist should be bold and courageous in the moment of crisis, especially when covering riots, communal disturbances, and worker demonstrations. A journalist may be present at the scene of a lathi charge, police firing, or tear gas shell bursting. The person should have the toughness to undergo all these physical strains, stresses, and risks. Like a soldier, the person cannot back out from such dangerous situations involving physical risks once the task has been assigned.